So this is what the garden looks like at the beginning of October. I guess it's like the middle. It's like the 12th of October today. So we've pulled out quite a bit that has died, or I mean, we pulled out all of our cucumbers because I was just so sick and tired of making pickles. And I think we have probably 2 to 3 years worth of pickles for our family. So we definitely didn't need any more. But a lot of the stuff is dying back, but I'd love to show you what's left. I have, you can see behind me, that's my green bean tunnel. I'll walk you through it. It's glorious. It's just amazing. And the way you make that is you get like a 16-foot cattle panel and arch it between 2 T-posts. Like, it's super simple. And it looks so awesome. I have a bunch of tomatoes that are still green, and it just makes me sad because I know that the frost is coming and they're gonna die, and I'm gonna have to pick them green instead of waiting for them to blush. But maybe I'll just bring them inside and hope they ripen. I don't know. If not, I'll make some green salsa. I'm waiting for my pumpkins to turn orange. I have some that have turned orange. I only grew Jack B. Littles and then the little white ones that look like Jack B. Littles but they're white, and then pumpkin pie pumpkins. And then I grew delicata squash and butternut squash, which we got quite a few of those. And if you have any recipe suggestions for the delicata squash, that would be great because I don't know what to do with it. Let's see, our peppers have done amazing, and those are starting to slow down or just run out of peppers to pick, and so I've frozen quite a bit of those. We made some hot sauce. What else did we make with them? I don't know, I'd have to get back to you on that. Oh, Andy dried a whole bunch of the spicy ones that he has and made chili powder. It's kind of spicy, but it's kind of sweet. It's made from camphor peppers. So yeah, I'll take you around and show you what's going on. So this is where our cucumbers were, and that's our sad little squash that never really grew. I guess that's a zucchini. So green zucchini, and then, ooh, I see a cucumber that survived. Look at that thing. Last cucumber of the season. Guess we missed a plant. So this is our squash. This is where the little pumpkins are. You can see one right there. I picked a whole bunch for a baby shower last weekend, so that's why they're not in here. And then there are our pumpkin pie pumpkins. And then as we go down, there's our delicata squash. There's one over there that I probably should pick. And then here is our butternut squash that's waiting to kind of ripen up and harden. So we need to pull out these cucumber plants. They're done, and then the rest were melons, and we pulled them out because they were done. This is our peppers. So there's some plants that are still waiting to ripen, but most of them are done. And then there's the back side of the green beans. It's just glorious. Let's see if there's any ripe. So there's one that's starting to turn right there. I'll pick that one. It's a little curly. Starting to turn. So our tomatillos are done, and then I picked, these were black beans, so I picked them all. Then I've harvested the celery twice, and I just chop it and freeze it. Just gonna put these in the bucket. And then here is the glorious green bean tunnel. And it's just everything I dreamed it would be. It's just so magical and glorious. See how many times I can say glorious in this video. Found some more green beans that I missed. You see them up there? It's kind of dark. But, so. This is where we grew the potatoes, and then so I planted lettuce, and this is the only little spot that grew, which. Here's our tomatoes. And there's just so many, just massive green ones left. Just so many. Our tomatoes did so well this year. I've already canned tomato sauce and barbecue sauce. So just pray that it doesn't freeze yet before my tomatoes blush. Oh, there's one. I'll probably pick this one. And then this last row, so these are Brussels sprouts, and like seem like a good idea, but they just take up so much room, and we didn't end up eating them because they were covered in bugs and it was gross. And this is our cherry tomato forest. It just went insane. So, and then our corn, we picked our corn and ate it, and it was delicious. But I wouldn't suggest planting it this close together, because we got quite a few ears like on the outside, but on the inside of the square we got hardly any ears, so suggest spacing them out. And then I just have to show you my dahlias because they are just beautiful, and I grew these from seed, so I'm super proud of them. And there's this sweet little yellow. I really hope it doesn't freeze before these beauties blush. Been waiting so patiently, but they are huge. And they're starting to change colors. But I sure hope we get them. Ooh, that one's starting to blush. I'm going to pick that one. It's a little cracked, but starting to blush on this side. Look how massive. So I got almost half a bucket of green beans, and my green beans are just a testament to like never give up on your plants, because they did terribly this spring and I almost pulled them out, and they just came back with a vengeance. And I think I have, sorry, I just saw some more. I froze like 11 quarts of blanched green beans like 2 days ago. So they're doing awesome. And can we just give this arch its moment of glory, please? I mean, it is so glorious. So these are my peppers that we planted together. I'm getting attacked by bugs. And I've picked most of them, but I'm waiting. You see that one? I've been so proud of my peppers this year. They actually look like store-bought peppers. Ooh, this one's starting to blush. Oh, picked the whole stem. Awesome. Look how beautiful. Come on, focus. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the harvest for today. Cucumber, 6 eggs, tomatoes, peppers, cherry tomatoes, green beans, and spicy peppers.